Hello, my dear student. Today I will teach you digital image processing and the topics is heat and miss transform. Heat and miss transform in digital image processing. You know what is heat and miss transform? What is heat and miss transform? Basically, to enhance the image quality, it will be used. So, what is the definition of it? This is generally binary morphological operation. The heat and miss transform is a general binary morphological operation that can be used to look for particular patterns of foreground and background pixel in an image. Actually, the basic operation of binary morphology, since almost all the other binary morphological operations can be derived from it. As with other binary morphological operators, it takes as input a binary image and a structuring element and produce another binary image as output. You know binary image? You may forget it. Binary image are images whose pixels have only two possible intensity values. There are two possible intensity values. They are normally displayed as black and white. Black and white 0 and 1 can be represented to represent a binary image. Now I will explain with example how actually it works. That means heat and miss transform, how actually will we work. You need to know the basic principle and you need to remind that the basic principle is when it is binary image. Now, what is the working principle? That means how it will work. Okay. You can see this is the representation in a matrix form. Okay. Now I will explain it how it will work. Okay. The structuring element used in the heat and miss is a slide extension to the type that has been introduced for erosion and dilation. Clear? In that it can contain both foreground and background pixels rather than just foreground pixel, that is actually both ones and zeros. Okay, both 1 and 0 will be represented. Note that the simpler type of structuring element is used with erosion and dilation is often depicted containing both ones and 0. It will be depicted containing both ones and 0 as well. But in the case, the 0 really stand for don't care. Okay. Don't care. That means 0 is for don't care. Okay. Don't care conditions when will occur, I already explained you. Okay. And foreground pixel for 1 is for foreground and 0 for background pixel. And to neglect other pixels, that means neglect rather than white and black, we will don't care others condition. And just use to fill out the structuring element to a convenient shaped kernel, usually a square. In all our illustration, these don't cares are shown as blanks in the kernel. Okay, don't care, those are actually blank. Okay. So in this example already I have explained you what is happening. Okay. Now go through the explained example with the locality. The heat and mesh operation is performed in much the same way as other morphological operators, you know it. Translating the origins of the structuring element to all points in the image and comparing the structuring element with the underlying image pixels. If the foreground and background pixels in the structuring element exactly match foreground and background pixels in the image, then what will happen? Then the pixel underneath the origin of the structuring element is set to the foreground color. It will be set to the foreground color. If does not match, then the pixel is set to the foreground color. Okay, element is set to the foreground color, and if does not match, then that pixel is set to the background color. For instance, you can see here the example. Okay, it is clearly notice that it will be started. This is the isolation point for number 1 condition, and this is the isolation. This is the end when it will be on stop. Okay, and another 3 are the kernel. That is will be happen for don't care condition. Okay. So we assume that the origin of the element is the center of the 3 cross 3 element. That means matrix. In order to find all the corners in a binary image, we need to run the heat and mesh transforms. It will be transformed for more time. When sometime it is required to transform for different elements representing the 4 kinds of the right angle corners. And in these right angle corners, you need to find out the binary images. So this is about the heat and mesh transform. Thank you for watching.